this one up on this very chilly January afternoon. This is a returning client with his recently acquired BMW R9T. This is a 100-year anniversary one. Got lots of trick bits and pieces on it. Very nice bit of kit. This is in for one of our full works packages. This is going to get everything thrown at it, a good dose of signature 4K ceramic. So we're going to get it all washed, decontaminated. He has ridden it a few times. Looks like he's been caught in a bit of rain, a bit of gunk this time of year. Never know what's on the road. So we're going to get it all washed, then we're going to get it in the studio. I'm going to do a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, making sure to get rid of any imperfections, and then we're going to do the signature 4K signature pro ceramic. We're going to airbrush it onto every nook and cranny. These stunning engine covers, all these stunning wheels. One of my favorite these wheels are. Everything's going to get coated. We'll apply it by hand to all the bodywork, but like I said, all the wheels, engine, suspension linkages, they will all get airbrushed with the ceramic. So let's get it washed, snow foam, get it all decontaminated, and then we'll get it in the studio, crack on with some detailing, get this looking like it should, and get it properly protected for the years ahead. Let's get cracking. Okay, BMW has now been fully washed and thoroughly blow dried, making sure to remove any moisture from the switch gears, etc. Just doing a little bit of a paint inspection. Good old black shows every single mark. Yeah, it's got a few spider webs on it, so we're going to do a bit of machine polishing with this bodywork just to remove any imperfections before we put any ceramic on it. No sense in putting ceramic on dodgy bodywork, so we're going to tape up a few bits and pieces on this, and we will crack on with some machine polishing, see if we can remove some of those marks, and then we'll apply some ceramic on it. Let's get cracking. Just doing some polishing on this BMW. This really is the absolute, every available option has been thrown on this bike. Look at all these lovely engine case, rocker covers. Look at all these gorgeous gear shifter foot pegs, all fully adjustable. Just doing some polishing on this exhaust, and then we'll crack on with the tank before we apply any ceramic. But every bit on this bike, these little indicators, they are tiny. Okay, all polished up now and prepped. We prep it with an alcohol mixture, just making sure to remove any left on waxes or oils or contaminants. We're now got all the heat on. We're even heating up the ceramic. We're going to use the Signature 4K Signature Pro. Got the airbrush machine, so we're going to airbrush it onto every nook and cranny of this lower half. All these gorgeous wheels, the drive shaft, all up underneath, all these little nooks and crannies are all going to get coated with the Signature 4K ceramic, and then we'll apply it by hand. We're going to put the Signature quartz on this bodywork. This silver bit seems to scratch really easily, so we're going to put the Signature quartz on there. We will do 2 coats. That is a self-healing ceramic, so should help with any minor scratches in the future. So let's get this ceramic in the airbrush. Like I said, we're warming it up, got the heat on, making sure this cures nicely. So let's get spraying. this, a stunning BMW R9T 100th anniversary has now been fully trotted. This is apparently number 1 of 1923 of this model that's been made. This has just had one of our full works packages. You've been following along, you've watched the whole process, fully washed, decontaminated, and then in the studio and fully detailed. We've done a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork just to remove any imperfections. Everything was then prepped, and we airbrushed the Signature 4K, Signature Pro ceramic on every nook and cranny. All those spokes, all those stunning wheels, all the motor, all these stunning rocker covers. Everything's been airbrushed with the Signature Pro ceramic. We then applied 2 coats of the Signature Quartz to all this bodywork. That is a self-healing ceramic, so should help with any minor scratches in the future. Look at the gloss on that. What a stunning bit of kit. Absolutely gleaming. We put a little XCP on all the banjo bolts, any nuts and bolts that I think needs that little extra bit of protection. All done, 5 hours on the dot. Give us a buzz. This is the best time to get your bike done, when it's nearly new, making sure to keep it properly protected for the years ahead. Give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 96.